who were working with Nirav Modi with his Firestar Diamonds company. They were also arrested. The CEO of the company was also arrested. Only Nirav Modi, his brother, both of them could not be arrested because they fled from India. His brother was not staying in India at that time. Nirav Modi was, first it was thought that he has gone to Hong Kong because in March 2019 he was seen in Hong Kong. So there was a search in Hong Kong as well. But finally, Nirav Modi was arrested in London after, on the extradition warrant, and then he has been kept in the jail. So there are two cases which are being pursued in Mumbai courts. The first is, of course, by the CBI against the whole bunch of officials of Firestar Diamonds, at the same time the PNB officials. And there is another case which has been pursued against Nirav Modi and his associates for the money laundering case, which the ED is pursuing. And ED's case is basically is helping the Indian government to extradite Nirav Modi back to India, and the verdict which we'll be hearing soon. The important point you were mentioning about the extradition processes is that, if you see that cricket bookie Sanjeev Chawla was extradited to face charges in India.
Right.
He became the first extradition case of its kind to come from, in India-UK extradition treaty in February 2020, and after that, the other cases were also expedited, and now we are at the point when Nirav Modi's case has come for the judgment, and in a small time from now, the judge from the Westminster Magistrate Court will be pronouncing the judgment with respect to his extradition back to India.